YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. I am here today with a new Louis Vuitton handbag that I wanted to share with you guys. It's not really an unboxing because I already got rid of the box, but I did want to share this new model that I recently purchased and that I'm very excited about. And this one is called the Alma. This is the Neo PM handbag. And it looks like this. This is actually the very first Alma that I ever have. The Alma, of course, has been a classic. It's been around for so long. So I've always really liked the Alma handbag. One time even almost got the Alma BB, but I just thought that it was just a little bit too small for me. And the reason I finally ended up just getting the bag was because one, it came in like my favorite leather, which is a Monogram Empreinte. I liked it because it's a very classic color. It's just like a plain black color. It's not as big as like the bigger Almas, but it's not as tiny as the Alma BB. I feel like this will be more of an everyday type of bag for me, whereas the Alma BB would be like a bag that you can wear only in the evening. And the bags that I've gotten recently have been like some nicer bags that I've gotten have been more for like evening type bags, I feel, not for like bags on a daily basis. So I was glad to get this one. It's like a different unique size. I think it's just like the perfect size for like an everyday type of bag. It's not too big and it's not too small. This one does have a strap as well, but it's more like a shoulder strap. It's not adjustable. I wish it were adjustable, that would be awesome. But I feel like I have the Monogram Empreinte Speedy 30, so I feel like I could probably use that strap for this one. And then it has the hooks right over here. It has the hooks like in the top handle. It has a special hook there and then on the other side. So this is something that you can definitely wear as a shoulder bag. It would definitely be way too short to wear as a crossbody bag. But I just really love this leather. I am so obsessed with the inside of this bag. Look at this. It is like purple. It is like a purpley bluish color. I feel like it's more purple than blue. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. It is like nicely, that nice little suede that you see a lot in the interiors. It has two like slip pockets here, 1 and 2 on the inside. It doesn't have any zippers or anything. I also like that it zips all the way down, so you can definitely really open it up really wide and get in there. You know, like it doesn't like cut off anywhere here, so it's really convenient. It has the little feet at the bottom so that when you set it somewhere, you don't get it ruined. I love it when bags have those little feet at the bottom. It has the gold zipper. This one has the Louis Vuitton sign that says made in France. And I just think it's just such a beautiful classic bag. I mean, the Alma is such a beautiful classic model. The bag also came with this little thing that you can also attach, you know, to the bag. I guess you can attach it on the handle or even through, you know, through the little gold things and just have it there like hanging if you wanted to. And then it also came with, it also has the little lock, but it came in the little box in here. The full name is the Neo Alma PM in the Monogram Empreinte. I think it's like a very classic bag that I could definitely use for a really long time, which is like my preferred type of choice of bag to purchase. So here you see all sides of the bag, and this is just like a really quick little, you know, video of the bag, of course, when I use it more and, you know, when I start using it, even though I already know that the Monogram Empreinte leather wears really nicely. It also has the Louis Vuitton like imprint right here that says Louis Vuitton Paris. It's kind of, is it like, it's kind of like also in a black, but you can just kind of see the imprint. It almost looks a little gray. And it's also very light. You know, for like a leather bag, I feel like the Speedy 30 is definitely heavier. This one just feels very light. Let me know what you guys think about it. I will definitely be giving you an update once I start using it. I feel like I would also add the other strap if I really wanted to wear it crossbody, because I think I could add the strap from the Speedy 30 bandolier one that I have also in this black Monogram Empreinte. But I'm just really excited, and of course once you wear it more, I'll definitely have more comments and more opinions about the bag and how comfortable it is. I've always loved top handle bags. I kind of just always like to wear it like here, the cute one to also just hold as a top handle, but the strap makes it just so much more useful. I really love that it has these little hooks in the handle, one on this side and then one on the opposite side, like they're diagonal to each other to attach the actual strap. So it's not like you have to attach the strap just to like this part right here of the hardware. It actually has a strap that is meant for tying the strap. So really excited. Also like that I got it in black. I feel like this is a very nice and carefree type of color. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Louis Vuitton new handbag video. I will list the name of the handbag in the description box down below so you have the full name of the bag. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching B Lounge Makeup. If you had a lot of fun watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.